एंड ये आलिया का बहुत ओल्ड पैटर्न है कि वो कैसे किसी भी डायरेक्टर के पीछे पड़ जाती है जिसकी कोई भी मूवी हिट हो रही हो या फिर उसके पास एक अच्छी सी स्क्रिप्ट हो। जैसे पहले आलिया ने गंगूबाई के लिए बोला था कि संजय लीला भंसाली ने उन्हें ये मूवी ऑफर की एंड वो श्योर नहीं थी कि वो ये रोल कर भी पाएंगे कि नहीं, बट भंसाली वो श्योर। बट एक्चुअली में संजय लीला भंसाली ने कुछ और ही बताया। उन्होंने बताया कि वो इंशाल्लाह शूट करे थे उनके साथ, जो कि सडनली बंद हो गई। ब्रोक डाउन, क्रैक्ड अप, क्राइड, रेप्ड, रेंटेड एंड लॉक्ड हरसेल्फ इन अ रूम। देन आई कॉल्ड हर अप आफ्टर 1 वीक एंड सेड यू आर प्लेइंग गंगूबाई। जिगरा के डायरेक्टर ने बताया था कि उन्होंने इस मूवी की स्क्रिप्ट करण जौहर को भेजी थी एंड उन्होंने बिना बताए आलिया को भेज दी, बिना उनसे पूछे। एंड सीम्स लाइक उन्हें जबरदस्ती लेना पड़ गया आलिया को।
He had this idea, and I guess then he had an idea of who he wanted to do the film with.
No, actually.
No.
So I had written one very kachapaka email, a very stream of consciousness thought, sent it to Karan, and I think 6-7 hours later he called saying I've already sent it to Alia, and I was really not happy with it. I was like, I would have at least done some spell check, grammar check, hygiene, written some very nice hero entry.
My memory, we met first. You told me, and I told you, and because I remember we were talking about some javelin throw.
Yes.
Something.
No, we met after that email, after you did that email.
Okay.
So Karan said, so that email was sent. I was like, why did you do this? He's like, no, this is how it works.
उड़ता पंजाब भी सोनाक्षी को मिलने वाली थी बट आलिया को देनी पड़ी एंड डायरेक्टर वाज नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट इट। तो इन्होंने कलंक के डायरेक्टर को कॉल करके बोला था आई विल बी रियली अपसेट इफ यू वोंट टेक मी।
I think for the first time, I made a call to a director. I called him up and I called Karan up and I said, listen, I just want you to know that I will be really upset if you don't take me in this film.
Okay.
Like, I really want to be a part of this film. And Abhishek just laughed and he didn't say much. So he was like, I know. And he knew that I wanted to be a part.
डियर जिंदगी भी किसी और को मिलने वाली थी बट आलिया अपसेट होने लगी तो उन्हें मिल गई।
I also heard, and I'd love to hear from you, that they were actually going to make Dear Zindagi with another actress.
Yeah.
And it was Shah Rukh and Karan who really pushed Gauri Shinde just to convince her that you wouldn't look too young for the role.
That I don't know about. I know that there was someone else on board earlier. And then there was a conversation about maybe going to me. And that's all I know. Then next thing I know, Gauri came to me and then we were on board.
उड़ता पंजाब के डायरेक्टर इमेजिन भी नहीं कर पा रहे थे उन्हें उस रोल में बट उन्हें देना पड़ा एंड उन्हें बहुत डेज लग गए ये चीज एक्सेप्ट करने में। एंड आलिया शेमलेसली उस इंटरव्यू में बोल रही थी he has to make peace with the fact that it's actually going to be me.
Even for example, for Urta Punjab, actually that's when I went to a director and I said that I really want to be a part of this film. And he said, okay, I need to sit down and imagine you like this girl because I never even in my life thought that you'd be able to play this character. So it took him a day or two to actually think about it. And then when he tweaked the little things around in his head, actually he didn't have to tweak anything. He just made peace with the fact that it would be me. He didn't have to tweak anything. He just made peace with the fact that it would be me.